My first Wednesday in the month. Siren test 10.
This is a test. This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test.
At Westminster Chimes, it's like 12 o'clock, so we're just sounding the party sound siren. I heard a siren kick a moment ago. You can faintly hear the SRNs in the background. Stupid AC unit is making me so mad right now. It had to go off at the worst time. Crap, paused the recorder on accident. Oops. Should have done this upstairs in my room, honestly, instead in the basement. That was my fault. This AC unit just kick off right now, turn off right now. This is so annoying. But this is the first time I've ever used this thing for a test.
This has been a test of the emergency warning system. This was only a test.
Oh, sorry guys, stupid AC unit had to ruin this today. So, of course, it kicks on the worst time possible. Nothing new there. Again, I should have just done this upstairs. My fault. Sorry guys. But you should have hopefully heard the SRNs in the background. So, oh well.